The KUSI News Business Report is brought to you by Torrey Bank.
Let's check in on today's Wall Street action. For that and more, here's Bloomberg's Michelle Steele live at the New York Stock Exchange. And what a difference a day makes, Michelle.
Absolutely, Sandra. Good morning, everybody. You know, finally, I can tell you guys something good about this morning. We do have a rally going on right now. The S&P moving higher after touching its lowest level since September of 1996 yesterday. One thing helping sentiment today is Citigroup shares. Citi shares gaining after the chief executive there said his bank was having the best quarter since 2007, which, by the way, was the last time it actually posted a profit. We also have Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, Big Ben, speaking this morning. Bernanke telling the Council on Foreign Relations U.S. financial regulations need to be overhauled. Now, as for the numbers, the Dow is up 270 points. The S&P 500 also tacking on about 30 points. The Nasdaq, we are seeing some buying in technology this morning as well, up 62 points. Finally here, it looks like Apple may introduce a small touchscreen netbook computer. Netbooks are smaller and cheaper than standard notebooks and offer basic computing functions and internet access. And that is Business News live at the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Michelle Steele, Bloomberg News, reporting for KUSI News. Apple, they're always making those quote-unquote must-have gadgets. Very interesting to keep an eye on that company. Dan and Sandra?
You can never have enough technical toys. Hey, Michelle, let me ask you, we have not seen a rally like this in a very long time. What's the mood on the floor, and what is fueling this rally this morning?
Well, still a little uncertain, you know, because the market has had rallies before, and it's been very, very difficult for investors to hold on to these rallies. You know, the next day you'll see another 100, 200, sometimes even 300-point sell-off on the Dow. Traders are very short, meaning they are looking to sell these rallies. So it's uncertain right now, but people are optimistic over that news from Citigroup, you know, saying that this was their best quarter ever, although I'm sure that that's going to beg more questions from politicians over then where's the bailout money going?
Let's hope that this early morning rally holds for the rest of the day. Michelle, thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
The KUSI News Business Report is brought to you by Torrey Bank.